too long, weightlifting has been relegated to the realm of men, shrouded in misconceptions and intimidating images of bulky bodybuilders. This couldn't be further from the truth. Weightlifting is not just about packing on massive muscles. It's about building a strong, healthy, and empowered version of yourself, regardless of gender. Many women shy away from weightlifting, fearing they'll transform into muscle-bound giants overnight. This simply isn't how female physiology works. Women don't produce enough testosterone to build muscle mass at the same rate as men. Instead, weightlifting for women leads to a toned, sculpted physique, increased bone density, and a boost in metabolism. It's about feeling confident in your own skin and having the strength to take on any challenge. So ladies, let's ditch the outdated stereotypes and step into the weight room with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any suggestions on topics you'd like to learn more about. One of the biggest hurdles for women considering weightlifting is the fear of bulking up. This common misconception stems from a misunderstanding of how muscle growth works. Women's hormonal profiles differ significantly from men's, making it much harder to gain large amounts of muscle mass. Lifting weights will not make you bulky, it will make you strong and defined. The process of building noticeable muscle mass takes consistent effort, proper nutrition, and often specific training regimens. Instead of bulking you up, weightlifting helps create a toned and sculpted look. It increases your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. This translates to a leaner, more defined physique. Weight training also enhances bone density, which is crucial for women as they age and become more susceptible to osteoporosis. So embrace the weights and sculpt the strong, healthy body you deserve. Safety should always be your top priority when incorporating weightlifting into your fitness routine. Many beginners avoid weightlifting due to fear of injury, but with proper form and guidance, it can be a safe and effective way to achieve your fitness goals. Start with lighter weights and focus on mastering the correct form before increasing the weight. Don't be afraid to ask for help from a certified personal trainer. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure you're using proper technique. Gradual progression is key. Start slowly and gradually increase the weight, repetitions, or sets as you get stronger. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard too soon. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workout itself. Remember, consistency and proper form are more important than lifting heavy weights. Start slowly, focus on technique, and you'll be well on your way to a safe and successful weightlifting journey. Contrary to popular belief, weightlifting can actually enhance your flexibility, not hinder it. Many people mistakenly believe that lifting weights will make them tight and inflexible. However, when performed correctly, weightlifting requires a full range of motion, which can improve flexibility over time. Focus on exercises that take your joints through their full range of motion. For example, squats, lunges, and overhead presses all promote flexibility in different areas of the body. Incorporate dynamic stretching such as arm circles and leg swings before your workouts to prepare your muscles. Static stretching, where you hold a stretch for an extended period, is best done after your workout when your muscles are warm. Remember, flexibility is crucial for preventing injuries and maintaining mobility as you age. Don't let the myth of weightlifting hindering flexibility hold you back from experiencing its full benefits. Fat burning furnace, igniting your metabolism. Weightlifting isn't just about building muscle, it's a powerful tool for torching fat and revving up your metabolism. Many believe that cardio is the only way to lose weight, but weightlifting plays a crucial role in transforming your body composition. Muscle is more metabolically active than fat, meaning it burns more calories even at rest. By building muscle, you're essentially turning your body into a fat-burning furnace. Weightlifting also elevates your metabolism for hours after your workout, a phenomenon known as the afterburn effect. This means you'll continue burning calories long after you've left the gym. Incorporate compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and rows into your routine. These exercises work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing calorie expenditure. Ditch the outdated notion that cardio is king for weight loss. Embrace the power of weightlifting to ignite your metabolism and achieve your body composition goals. Time crunch? No problem, maximizing your workout. Short, intense weightlifting sessions can be just as effective as long, drawn-out workouts, making them ideal for busy individuals. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to reap the benefits of weightlifting. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing your time and effort. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can be incorporated into your weightlifting routine to further boost calorie burn and save time. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to have shorter, more frequent workouts than sporadic, lengthy sessions. Don't let time constraints be an excuse. Embrace the efficiency of short, intense weightlifting workouts and make the most of your precious time. In this final chapter, let's summarize the 5 weightlifting myths we've busted today. Myth 1. Weightlifting is only for men. Weightlifting is for everyone, regardless of gender. Myth 2. Women can't gain muscle. Women can and do gain muscle, though the process may be different from men. Myth 3. Lifting heavy weights makes you bulky. Lifting heavy weights helps build lean muscle and strength, not bulkiness. Myth 4. You need to lift weights every day. Consistency is key, but rest days are just as important for recovery and growth. Myth 5. Cardio is better for fat loss than weightlifting. Weightlifting boosts metabolism and aids in fat loss effectively. Remember, understanding these myths can help you achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Stay strong and keep lifting with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any suggestions on topics you'd like to learn more about.